Hi there, it's Shelly with the Authentic Man program. I'm going to answer a post by Joshua. He's talking about how he's been really breathing deeply and feeling the sensations in his body. Nice work, Joshua. And suddenly there are all these hot women everywhere. And he's getting distracted at work because there are so many hot women and he just wants to follow his desire and flirt with them and talk with them. I would say, Joshua, that you have found a deep state of appreciation. And that is awesome. That is so, so great. I really love being with people who are in that state of appreciation because it's just magnetizing. It just makes me, me grow in my own appreciation of what's happening around me. And the thing about appreciation is that it's not necessarily specific to a woman or all of women. It could actually be that you appreciate, the way the flowers are blooming on the side of the road, or, that you appreciate the color of this certain car that drives by, or the way the light is glistening off of something, right? So when you're in that deep state of appreciation, you might find that you appreciate things that you never would have appreciated in the past, like the, sparkling in the sidewalk, or a sticker that some little kid put some strange place. So I would encourage you, if you're a little nervous about being distracted from work, to see how you can bring your appreciation and your being a yes to work, to, living your purpose through your work. So good luck with all those beautiful, distracting women. I know that's going to be a tough challenge for you to actually take your focus off of the women and put it back on work. But see what about work you most appreciate and what relationships within your working environment you most enjoy and how you can deepen those, right? So flirt with the women on your break time and at lunchtime. Take them out to lunch. All of that is awesome. I'm so excited that you're breathing and feeling more. And I just want to remind you that you can appreciate all sorts of things. It doesn't just have to be women. All right, Joshua, good luck with that. And guys, have a great day. Bye.